Good morning, Southwest Lawrence Elementary School, and welcome back from the weekend. We hope you had a wonderful, restful weekend. Happy Monday to you. It is August 23rd, and it's just after 8 o'clock. Let's pause for a moment of silence as we reflect upon the anticipated activities of today. All right, thank you. At this time, we will pledge allegiance to our country's flag. So everyone, if you will please stand, and let's salute and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. All right, so now let's say our PBS mission statement. At Southwest Lawrence Elementary, we aim to develop positive, hardworking, respectful achievers. Today's lunch menu, we have a hamburger, pizza, yogurt lunch bag, french fries, fresh carrots, or a fruit choice. And our birthdays from yesterday and today. Yesterday we had Miss, I want to say Avison or Avison Bennett, Chloe Fairclough, Emelina, if I mispronounce your name, I'm terribly sorry. Emelina Milano, Connor Ward, and today we have Miss Scarlett Nebrett, Parker Coffin, Savannah Metcalf, Brayley Woods, and we cannot forget that on August 20th, we forgot to celebrate one of our very own teachers in the building, Miss Brantley, our 4th grade teacher. Happy belated birthday to you. We hope you celebrate well this weekend. And so, today, as you see behind me, I have a horse, but I also have one of our Galapagos tortoises. And I told you they get 5 feet long and weigh about 550 pounds. All right, so imagine this is standing beside an actual adult horse. Look at this turtle. Have you ever seen a turtle that big? Because I haven't. So you may have heard one say, lessons in life will be repeated until they are learned. Well, we repeated this lesson about the Galapagos tortoise, right? Who's right behind me. But wisdom, our core value this month, is related to learning. And why is that so? Well, wisdom is finding out what you should do and doing it. So I'm going to impart some wisdom on you before we leave today. And I told you I'm going to have a little magic trick for you, right? So I have a huge water container. And this water container, truthfully speaking, if we drank this much water, our stomach would explode. Because your body needs water, but not this much water at one time. And I also have with me some isopropyl alcohol. This is 91%. And so you may see this if you get a cut or a scrape. For example, I cut my finger in the lab on Friday. You may actually pour this on your cut or scrape to clean it. And that's what medical professionals use to clean wounds. And so I also have this tool, which is used in science. It's called a graduated cylinder. And helps us to measure the amount of ingredients we put into maybe a chemical combination or something that happens with chemicals, but really it's used to measure milliliters. All right, so I'm going to put 90 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol into this called graduated cylinder. Okay, now as it goes up, you see the numbers are on the side. So this going up is going all the way up to the 9 and 0, which is 90. Okay, and now if you're you may decompose the number 90 to different ways. There's 9 tens. You could do 80 plus 10. You could do 9 times 10. There's a lot of different ways to represent the number 90, right? We have 90 milliliters of isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to pour this in here. Now, if you're one of my STEM students from last week, don't spoil the surprise, because many of you know what have already happened. We saw it in person. Now, we're going to kind of squish this around inside our cylinder here. It's almost a cylinder is what the shape is. Now, as we squish it around our water jug, the alcohol is coating the inside. And if you don't know, alcohol is highly flammable, which means if I drop fire in here, we're going to see a lot of flames, many flames. And so I'm going to explain that, and I'm going to represent that and show you that right now. So here we go. So I have a match. You notice my matches are really, really long. Show how long that match is. So if you do this at home, you cannot do this by yourself. You need an adult to do it with you. So we're going to light a match here, if I can. There we go. And when I drop it in, watch for what happens. Remember, it's the chemical reaction, chemical change. So watch what happens. So if you're in my STEM lab and we turn the lights off, it's really, really cool. And you see it in the dark, but also what happens is it creates a cloud inside. The alcohol burns off and the liquid then changes back to water. And so if you see my STEM lab, you come to me then, we will do it again in class. But again, I just want to show you a little preview of that. As that fire happened, right now it's a little warm around me, but fire and flames are evidence of a chemical change or chemical reaction. That's what you just witnessed. So we'll talk more about in the lab when you come see me very soon. We hope y'all have a wonderful Monday, a marvelous Monday. Welcome back to Southwest, the greatest little big school on the planet. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning, okay? See y'all.